Welcome to Fun Day Monday, Fund It Forward, February 2024. Elisa, we have talked about so many subjects throughout the years, and this one to me is so fascinating. It's a topic that doesn't get discussed regularly, for sure.
No, it doesn't. That's so true. And I'm interested in this topic as well and love what the study of astronomy can make you think about that you otherwise would never think about. The question this month was, which planet in our solar system has the shortest day? Meaning it rotates on its axis more quickly than any other planet. The options were A, Jupiter, B, Venus, C, Mercury, and D, Earth. The answer was A, Jupiter.
Yeah, and so Jupiter only takes 10 hours to complete one day or one complete revolution and is the largest planet in the solar system. It's 11 times wider than the Earth. So to give you perspective, the Earth, if the Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be the size of a basketball.
Wow,
That's
that's a
a
big difference.
big difference. Yeah.
Yeah. Jupiter makes a complete orbit around the sun in about 12 Earth years. Its equator is tilted with respect to its orbital path around the sun by just 3 degrees. This means Jupiter spins nearly upright and does not have seasons as extreme as other planets do.
Wow, just little things that are twerked and tilted differently makes a big difference, doesn't it?
Obviously, it does. Yeah.
And my big question was, why does Jupiter spin so fast? So I did some digging a little bit. So as Jupiter was being formed, it was a disk shape. This fact is called angular momentum because it has more mass. And when it was this shape of this disc or frisbee, it then formed into a round ball. This is called mass times velocity times radius. So when the mass formed into a ball shape, the radius went down and the velocity went up. So it would be like an ice skater, for example. Okay, so think of this analogy. When a professional ice skater starts to spin in a circle, and their arms usually start out like this, and when they bring their arms in, they spin faster and faster and faster. And so that's why Jupiter started to spin fast, faster than any other planet.
Wow. That's interesting also.
Right.
Another little fact is Jupiter gets its name from the king of an ancient Roman god, Jupiter.
That's the name. You know, the fascinating part of this planet is also about its surface. The planet is mostly swirling gases and liquids. A spacecraft obviously couldn't land on the planet, and a spacecraft would have nowhere to land, in fact, on Jupiter. It would be able to fly, it wouldn't be able to fly through unscathed either.
That's right, because the extreme pressures and temperatures deep inside the planet would crush, melt, and vaporize the spacecraft trying to fly into the planet.
I hope they figured this out before they tried to fly through that planet.
They probably sent a probe or something through first.
Yeah, exactly. And it probably disintegrated.
Yeah.
Right, right. So lastly, in 1979, NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft discovered that Jupiter has rings. The rings are composed of small dark particles, and they are difficult to see except when backlit by the sun.
Huh. I wonder,
There's
I wonder, I guess it just looks like a regular planet when it isn't backlit by the sun.
exactly, that's probably why we couldn't see it before, through just telescopes at maybe certain lights.
Well, At night, it may not be backlit by the sun if we were looking at it through a telescope at night.
I know, I know. So it's crazy. There's so much to learn, with astronomy, right? Like you have to be passionate about it to learn this stuff because there's so much to know and probably so much more to learn too, for
Yeah.
sure. So anyway, so we've just touched just some of the highlights actually.
Yes, we did. That's for sure. Now let's go ahead and draw a winner for Fun
Let's
Day.
do it. Let's do it. Let's see who our winner is this month.
Okay, we've got Chris Wiley. Congratulations, Chris.
Chris Wiley, congratulations. We look forward to hearing from you. You can either take the winnings or you can donate to your favorite cause. Just let us know. And I also want to just take a moment to wish everybody a happy Valentine's Day coming up. Hope you have a wonderful day and month for that matter. And please don't keep us a secret.
Goodbye.
Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one. See you guys. Bye-bye.